wants to have a thick hair? 1, 2, and 3. 3 steps to achieve your goal. Follow Panchayu. Who doesn't want a thick, lush head full of hair? Thick hair has been thought as a sign of health and wellness by almost all cultures across the world. Dense hair is something many people aspire for. A lot of it can be genetics that some people blessed with. But full-looking hair can also be achieved by focusing on proper products and ingredients that we use for our hair. In this video, I'm going to give you 3 magical tips in Ayurveda that will help you to achieve a fuller-looking thick hair. So let's start. When we talk about fuller-looking hair, we talk about 2 words, thick hair and dense hair. Actually, these 2 words have totally different definitions. Hair density refers to the amount of strands of your hair that we have per inch of your scalp. And the thicker hair, on the other hand, have to do with the width of the actual strand of your hair. Let me tell you a simple test that you can do at your home to get a rough idea of your hair density. This is called Ponytail Test. If your hair is long, tie it into a ponytail. Then measure the circumference of the ponytail. If the measurement is less than 2 inches, that indicates that you have low density hair type. If you have 2 to 3 inches, that means you have a medium type. If it's above 4, that means you have a high density hair type. Okay, let's think you have a low or a medium dense hair. Let's understand how to pick up your hair into a high density type. Tip number 1. We have no way to change the texture of your hair type because it's already pre-planned by your genetics. But using organic products that repair hair damages is useful as it makes hair healthy and reduce hair loss. According to research, scalp massage 2 to 3 times per week for about 15 to 20 minutes increase the hair thickness by stretching the cells of the hair follicles. This can stimulate the follicles to grow faster and thicker. Now you may be thinking, which are the products that best to do this scalp massage? Let me explain. Combination of virgin coconut oil and rosemary oil is a good combination. Cold pressed virgin coconut oil has all vitamins, nutrients, antioxidant, and it is a lightweight oil that can deeply penetrate into your hair shaft and repair the damages. And moreover, rosemary essential oil can produce more stem cells, so actually it grows the thicker hair. You just simply have to do this. Take 3 parts of extra virgin coconut oil and 1 part of rosemary essential oil. Mix them very well. Apply on your scalp and do a gentle massage. Leave it for 15 minutes and wash off with a mild shampoo. Tip number 2. Rice water head bath. If you want to have a greater dense hair, you could try natural ingredients which have volumizing properties. Fermented rice water is a best option. Take a cup full of organic rice, then put 6 cups of water. Mix it very well and leave it for 1 day. And on the other day, strain it and put some rosemary essential oil. Mix it very well and rinse your hair with this fermented rice water. Do it 2 to 3 times per week. Fermented rice water. It does contain a lot of vitamins and minerals and antioxidants. And a special ingredient called isoxanol is a carbohydrate that can deeply penetrate into your hair shaft and make it more healthier and stronger. Tip number 3, a crucial part, that is your diet. A nutritious diet that contains healthy fat, vitamins, minerals, vitamins like B, C, omega-3 and protein that can support for a healthy and a strong hair. Eggs, sweet potatoes, oily fish, avocado, spinach, walnut, flaxseed, almond, chia seeds are the best foods for a thicker hair. Hair density is a complex matter that requires to adjust your routines and your diet. So I think this video was helpful for you. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Use these simple tips to have a healthier and head full of hair. Thank you for watching.